In a few months, I'll start my 20th year with Valmark, with my whole time being focused on portfolio management. The research I did while still in graduate school for finance, I realized the advantages of index-based investing. My research was showing that the vast majority of active managers were underperforming their indexes. This was in some of the earlier stages of index investing, really gaining popularity. Throughout my career, I've been very interested in financial markets and trading as well. It's not enough for me to pontificate on what investors should do. I wanted to actually be able to offer solutions to implement the investment strategies I believed in. Fortunately, the timing was good. I was coming to these realizations just at the time when ETFs were getting off the ground. There were just over 100 ETFs in the marketplace when I started as a professional, and not everyone thought they would stick. Likewise, the infrastructure was just developing. I remember visiting our traders on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange in the early years, and there was an actual ETF room in the back where it all happened. Now it's all electronic, and there are thousands of ETF choices in nearly every area of investing. Fortunately, while ETFs were just starting out, there were enough quality choices at the time to offer our TOPS ETF program. Even from the earliest days, I knew we had a strong offering. There were inherent advantages to the way we were managing money, as opposed to the way many investors were running their portfolios at the time. I knew with ETFs and a disciplined portfolio process, we would have significant advantages over the portfolios of mutual funds we saw many investors in. With ETFs, we could significantly lower their cost, deliver returns similar to indexes, and provide a remarkable tax advantage. For any taxable account, the advantages of ETFs are hard to argue against. What I didn't foresee until a few years into our success was the leader we would be fortunate to become in the institutional space. We are now the leading independent ETF portfolio manager working with insurance companies. We have 22 insurance companies who have chosen to offer the TOPS portfolios. Having these large, sophisticated institutional buyers review our portfolios and choose to offer TOPS over our competitors is such an encouragement that we are doing something that truly adds value. I would argue it's more relevant now. We were far ahead of the curve in managing ETF portfolios 20 years ago. Over that time, though, we have seen the pendulum swing powerfully towards ETFs. Trillions of dollars have come out of traditional actively managed mutual funds into ETFs. Likewise, my research regarding active managers versus indexes I did 20 years ago has resonated well over the last 20 years as well. Also, the institutional community is now ingrained in index investing, and I don't see that changing. I feel very good about the value proposition we offer in TOPS to investors. TOPS can be the reliable engine behind their financial plan. I'm also very excited, though, about the full slate of offerings we have at Valmark. I think about my role like being a decathlete. We want to win all the events. Obviously, we are clearly a leader in ETF investing. However, I feel we have gold medal quality offerings across the board, allowing us to serve investors regardless of their investment goals or preferences. In 2010, by integrating futures contracts with ETFs, we helped start a risk-managed investment style that now has over $200 billion in assets across the industry. Building on that expertise, we launched our TOPS indexes in 2021, which are options-based. Now, the methodology of our TOPS Global Equity Target Range Index has been implemented into an innovative ETF, the Wisdom Tree Target Range Fund, ticker GTR. This first-of-its-kind ETF enables investors to stay invested in equity markets while using options to control their risk. GTR is just further evolution in our mission to empower the investors we serve to achieve appropriate long-term investment results. The member offices of Valmark Financial Group are some of the leading financial professionals in the industry. Please don't hesitate to contact them about your financial future.